Hi friends, this is Satish Valiveti and welcome to the visual meditation experience. If you want to make meditation your daily habit, this video can teach you the most easy and effective way to do so. Before we dive into the experience, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so right now by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell button below so that you will be notified of all my future videos that you can benefit from. So let's start visual meditation, friends. Visual meditation is a two-step process. Step 1 is called answering 5 important questions, and step 2 is called doing visual meditation. Let's start with step 1, answering 5 important questions. Friends, whether you're watching this video for the first time or you're doing meditation daily with the help of this video, we will follow the same procedure. So take a white paper and a sketch pen and answer these following 5 questions. Question 1. Your favorite place. Please write down your favorite place. It may be a hill, a beach, a mountain, a valley, garden, or maybe a favorite room in your house. You can use this favorite place every time you do visual meditation, or you may change your answer and write about a different favorite place when you do your next visual meditation. So please make a note of your favorite place. Question 2. 2 special people of your life. Please write down the names of 2 special people of your life that you're so thankful that you have them in your life. If you ask me, I'm so happy and thankful that I have a lovely wife, 2 wonderful kids, a caring mother, supporting brother, friendly sister, my best friends, some of my best clients. The list goes on and on. I'm sure even you have so many special people in your life that you're so thankful for. So please write down the names of any 2 such special people of your life. You can use this same answer every time you do visual meditation, or you may change the answer and write the names of 2 other people when you do your next visual meditation. But please make a note of 2 special people that you are thankful for. Then question 3. A happy moment. Please write down 1 happy moment of your life that you experienced in the past. We all have plenty of such moments in our past. Handpick any one. It may be a day when you did something wonderful, or you achieved something, or you had a great time with people you love, etc. You can write about the same happy moment, or you may change the answer and select a different happy moment experience when you do your next visual meditation. Please make a note of 1 happy moment. Moving on to question 4, your biggest strength. Write down your biggest strength, a quality that you uniquely possess. If you ask me, for example, friends, I believe that my communication skills, my never give up attitude, my creativity, my positive thinking, my love towards my family, my passion towards my profession, etc. are some of my biggest strengths. I'm sure even you have a good number of strengths in you. Just write one of your biggest strengths. You can use the same answer every time you do the visual meditation, or you may change your answer and write about a different strength when you do your next visual meditation. But please make a note of your biggest strength. Now question 5, the last question, your immediate and long-term goals. Write down your target that you want to achieve in the near future and one more that you want to achieve in the long run. If you ask me, for example, some of my immediate goals include teaching my kids some life lessons, creating powerful online courses on public speaking, parenting, and student success, etc. And some of my long-term goals include buying my dream home or becoming a world-class speaker, family trips to various countries, etc. So I want you to write down, my friend, 1 immediate goal and 1 long-term goal of yours. You can use the same answer every time you do visual meditation, or you may change the answer and write other goals when you do your next visual meditation. Please make a note of 1 immediate goal and 1 long-term goal. Good. So once you're done writing these 5 answers, you are ready to do the visual meditation. Friends, if you haven't written the answers, kindly pause this video, write the answers and then continue. Please understand that true participation reaps the best rewards out of visual meditation. So now that we're done with step 1 of answering the 5 questions, let's dive into step 2 of actually doing visual meditation. So keep your paper and sketch pens away. Sit comfortably or sleep comfortably and slowly close your eyes. Please close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Relax. Take a deep breath again. Relax. Friends, until I tell you now, please don't open your eyes. Whatever I tell you now, it's not just about listening. Try to imagine it, visualize it. Till this exercise gets over, if you hear other sounds, if you hear other voices, you will still concentrate on what I am telling you. Don't open your eyes, just visualize. Imagine right now that you are at your favorite place. Really feel as if you are at that place now. Imagine that place with clarity in your mind. Feel the ambience. You're feeling very happy and very peaceful being at that place. Please take a deep breath and relax. Take a deep breath again. Relax. With every inhalation, you're feeling 10 times more relaxed. And with every exhalation, your worries are going out. With every inhalation, you're feeling 10 times more relaxed and more peaceful. And with every exhalation, your worries are going out. Take a moment and feel the pleasantness. Please take a moment and feel the pleasantness as you sit at your favorite place. Now imagine at your favorite place, you see those 2 special people of your life that you're so thankful about. The second answer you wrote about 2 special people of your life. Imagine they both right now at your favorite place. See them clearly. Imagine you hugging them. It's time to show your deepest gratitude and love towards them. Really imagine they're standing before you now, and you convey your heartfelt thanks for them for being a part of your life. Take a moment and feel this wonderful moment. Let those 2 special people know how much you care for them. Tell them how special they are to you. Take a moment and feel the joy of spending this special time with them. Feel the happiness. Feel the thankfulness. Now I want you to imagine the happiest moment of your life. Your third question answer, you wrote about one of the happiest moments of your life in the past. I want you to imagine that moment again. Go back to that day. Go back to that special day when you felt so happy. Try to relive the experience. Feel that happiness again. Feel the joy. Look at that day. Look at the people around you during those happy moments. Imagine that whole incident with clarity. Relive that happy experience of your life in your mind right now. Relive that wonderful happy moment and feel the happiness. It's time now to look at the biggest strength you have. The fourth answer you wrote is about the biggest strength you possess. You know that you are capable. You are capable of achieving success and happiness in your life. And you know that. Look at your immediate goal. Imagine clearly in your mind the goal that you want to achieve. And imagine right now that you are working very efficiently towards that goal. You're working every day with enthusiasm and energy towards that goal. Now imagine as if you really achieved your immediate goal. Feel that sense of achievement. You have achieved your immediate goal and everybody is appreciating you. Feel the happiness. Feel the success. Now I want you to look at your long-term goal. Imagine in your mind very clearly the long-term goal you want to achieve. Right now, imagine yourself planning effectively to achieve that goal. You're working with passion and dedication towards that goal. Every single day, you're making progress. And as you're making progress, day by day, you are increasing in your confidence. Take a deep breath, my friend, and feel the confidence. Now imagine as if you really achieved your long-term goal. You have achieved your big goal and everybody is appreciating you. Feel the confidence. Feel the happiness. And feel the success. Fantastic. Take a deep breath and relax. With every inhalation, you're feeling 10 times more stronger, confident, and peaceful. And with every exhalation, your worries are going out. Take a moment and feel the power of visual meditation. Good. Now take a deep breath and relax. Feel your favorite place. You're sitting right now at your favorite place. Feel the place. Feel the pleasantness. Take a deep breath again. Relax. I will count from 1 to 5 now. By the time I finish counting 5, you will come back to normal state. And once you come back to normal state, you will feel very fresh, positive, confident, and energetic. Take a deep breath and feel the joy. 2. With every inhalation, you're feeling fresh and powerful. 3. With every exhalation, your worries are going out. Your worries are going out. 4. In a moment, you will open your eyes and you'll feel wonderful. Wonderful. 5. Slowly open your eyes. Open your eyes. Fantastic. This, my friends, is visual meditation. If you want to get the best results out of this visual meditation, I strongly recommend that you commit yourself to do this visual meditation twice a day. Every morning and every night, Watch this video and do this visual meditation twice every day and continue for a couple of weeks. Make visual meditation a habit, and believe me, your life will never be the same again. You can also share this video with your near and dear, your friends and families, and WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups, so that even you can help them also to build a great habit for life. Thank you so much. Have a great life ahead.